The pneumatic water well drilling rig adopt super hydraulic transmission CNC control automatic drilling experience. The well drilling rig adopts super hydraulic transmission CNC control automatic drilling experience. The drilling rig adopts new hydraulic technology, supporting high torque hydraulic motor rotation and large diameter drilling rig hydraulic propulsion. Excellent performance and reliable quality assurance have established a good brand reputation in the international market.